Hello guys, what a pleasure to see you again. My name is Alex and welcome to the second part of OXY instructions. And today we have figured out how to make a deposit on your personal account and activate one of the boxes. And before we start, just a small clarification. In our case, we will activate the advanced box. So let's begin. Now we are moving to the wallet section and must click on the deposit button. Then we copy your personal wallet address in USDT TRC20 and make a deposit. Your transfer will be proceed automatically within 15 minutes. Thank you. And after our personal balance has been successfully replenished, we are going to the box activation. So in our next step we are going to the box section, find our advanced box, enter the amount. In our case, it's 2,500 and press the activate button. That's what I'm talking about. Your money is already in work. Congratulations. And now you can get your referral link in the carrier section and get your profit every day except Saturday and Sunday. So join us, investigate our platform and earn up to 55% per month with oxy.llc.